how to fix Roblox fail to create directory error. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you a 3-step solution for this error. For the first one, you have to press on the Windows key and the R letter on your keyboard. Then here you have to type in %localapp data and %. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the temporary folder and then delete the Roblox folder from here. Then here you have to type in %localapp data and %. With this, what you're going to do is you're just going to clear the cache for the Roblox app so you don't have to worry about Roblox being deleted. Moving on to the second step, you have to click on local right at top. Here again, you'll be able to see the Roblox folder. Now create a new folder and name it Downloads. It is really important that you name the folder Downloads. Once that is done, let's head to Versions. Expand on it further, then select Roblox Player Launcher. Do a right click and select Properties right at the end, then go to Compatibility, and under Settings you have to check Run this program as Administrator and disable Full Screen Optimizations. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the temporary folder, then go ahead and apply the changes. Now do the same thing for Roblox Player Beta. Once again, go ahead and apply these changes, and that should fix your fail to create directory error. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.